Hey, I'm looking to get my windshield replaced.
Oh yeah, we do that here. Ooh, I like cracks. It does something to me. Ooh, I don't want to make a mess here. Gotta cover for the splatter. I mean, for the shattered glass. Ooh, this one's my favorite. Stanley. Oh, I'm gonna show you your mother.
To who?
Nobody?
Oh, it's so nice to see a new one here.
Yeah, but this one's too warm. I like mine cold. I'm just gonna put it back together now.
Yeah?
We're all done now. I think I'm gonna rest my eyes now.